Welcome to Clone Drone in the Danger Zone. Now, what are we going to be doing in this game? Imagine Paint the Town Red if you combined it with Teardown. What do I mean by that? In Paint the Town Red you kill. In Teardown you destroy. They're both voxel-based and so is Clone Drone. And in this game you kill. But robots. It's nothing really that much different, but you have cool looking lightsabers. By the way, I figured out something cool I can do with my microphone. Watch. Alright, let's try out the story mode. The start of an epic tale of human defiance.
Taylor, Bolton!
Taylor, Bolton!
Analysis bot, what do you think will happen with
I am
this
black.
It will fight a bit, then die.
Again?
Again.
Oh shit. Hold up, let me turn. I'm gonna turn the music on so I can add my own background music. Oh shit, we're fighting against this dude. Yo, we friends? Okay, no, I'm the only human in here, I guess. Watch this. Juke! Oh, okay. I would have died over there. Sweep the legs. Sweep the legs. There we go.
Victory! The lone test robot falls.
Its consciousness is not unique. We will make another one.
Dumbass. Oh shit.
Human.
Oh shit!
Analysis bot, what upgrade is the best to tackle the next challenge?
When you are surrounded by robots with swords, you need to not get hit by their attacks. Blocking
No
or
way.
kicking is very effective against sword robots.
No
We will
way.
see what the human chooses.
Extra life, kick, sword, fire sword, block projectiles 1, energy capacity 1, bow, jetpack. I'm picking the extra life. As far as I
Is this
know,
human fairest
this
death?
is like a
Typical.
roguelike game, so yeah, I don't want that happening. Now there's 3! Hold up, I'm gonna bait them. Come on! Come to baby! You gotta be fucking kidding me. This is how we do it. Oh! Dumbass! I'm trying to kill one. Oh! Satisfying. Dumbass.
Victory!
Oh shit, that was clean cut though. That was like voxel. That was like laser perfect. So are these guys like the garbage disposals? Those green guys.
Yay. I clean it up.
Oh, that's cool though.
You die.
Oh, the garbage. I think the scraps. Yeah, the scraps more like. They get like disposed. This game is so detailed, bro, and it's an indie game from like 2018. I got a fire sword. Now it's a lightsaber. Ah shit, archers. Oh, look at me. I'm like bullet something. Well, I'm like dead. Shit. Oh shit, bro. I'm dangerous. I'm dodging every single thing in here. Bro, I love the fire. Just look at the sound it makes. It actually like burns them. That like, how can you burn metal? That doesn't make sense. Oh shit, he got a he shot a voxel off. No.
A shame this did not happen to the human.
A shame this did not happen to the human. There's my dead body. R.I.P. Swipez 2014-2026. You will not be missed. Ah shit! Now archers and swordmen. Oh. I'm gonna get you. Shit! Oh god! Damn! Oh shit! Dangerous. damn. Oh god, this is... Oh, I accidentally hit the wrong one. Hey, here. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Victory.
This human is pretty good.
I wonder if the next one will get as far.
The next one? But you think I'm gonna die? No, I'm just kidding. I'm probably gonna die.
We have a special guest.
Who is it?
You're about to find out.
Well, I mean, we're looking at, like, a big-ass throne, some like a king, or emperor, or god, maybe even. I'm gonna block projectiles, since they can be kind of deadly. Do you know what happened the last time? Flashback. Oh shit, archers. Oh, look at me, I'm like bullet something. Well, I'm like dead. Let's see.
Look to the sky. The Emperor. arrives.
Exactly. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Fellow robots, we have captured a few humans bold enough to venture into our space.
Which one Emperor? I'm the Emperor.
Billions of their minds remain, waiting to be harvested.
Shut the fuck up, I'm a human too, bro.
Soon our
I'm gonna
fleet will
protect my
arrive at
kind.
the closest human outpost. While we wait, let us watch our latest combat robot.
Shut your
in
bitch ass
action.
up. Ace of Spades, Robert,
Spider-Tron
the boss.
5000.
I don't know, I don't care, but those are all humans. Those are my friends, bro. Leave them alone. I also watch Jacksep. Jesus, is that a spider? Oh, come on. Oh shit. Okay, that was his arm that got cut off. Double kill. Double kill. This is throwing bombs at me. Get your bitch ass on. I think I'm supposed to hit that red thing, right? Woohoo! That was low-key satisfying.
Spider-Tron 5000 was defeated.
Now we'll understand why I call this Teardown plus Painted Town Red, because you kill things, but you also destroy things at the same time, kind of, when you think about it. Which...
What can you tell me of the Mark II sword robot?
Bigger,
I would want to
faster,
try the bow,
stronger,
but I'm shit at
better at
aiming.
blocking.
Next round will be interesting.
Let's see. It's a swordman, or archers, or anything. What the fuck? Why are these guys red? Shit.
Your trust, kid.
Even do that. What are these swords made of? It's hard to concentrate and talk a foreign language at the same time. Last thing. Oh, 360 on your bitch ass. Oh shit.
Now more versions of this human will die.
Perhaps they will die in different ways.
We shall see.
I see another Spider-Tron. I am COOKED cooked. Straight up cooked. God damn it. Come on. I'm gonna scared. Alright, one Spider-Tron 5000 down. What happened to the other 4,999 Spider-Trons? That's my question. Did they get killed like I did just right now? They again cut off a They again cut off a fucking voxel off me. Ow, that hurt so much. That's like a millimeter of skin getting cut. I want to cut his leg down. Victory!
Impressive.
Spider-Tron.
I am victory! Mark 1 blue, Mark 2 red, Mark 3 I have no idea, absolutely. I think they're gonna be purple, yeah, because the whole map is purple. Oh, they got wide ass arrows. And they can, and they can switch to swords. Oh, well, never mind. Let's try this new fire sword. Well, first impressions of the fire sword are great. Avenging myself. I hit his leg once and he disintegrated. It does say it's grey, but I take it as black. It's like a very dark grey.
You're trash, kid.
It's really a matter of who hits
All the
quicker.
swordsmen died.
The next battle is going to be based interesting.
Sometimes quality is better than quantity.
Maybe.
The human stands no chance against the Mark III sword robot.
If there's just gonna be one, he's fucking dead.
The human way.
Aw, shit. God damn. Come on then.
Finally, someone who can
Was that
actually
all?
fight.
Who the
It's
fuck
your
are
lucky
you?
day. I'm going to help you escape.
Oh, you're a
In a
friend.
few moments, the garbage doors will open. When they do, I'm going to lower the force field, and you're going to run through them.
Why should
Run,
I?
and don't stop. Ready? Here we go.
Alright. Oh shit.
What is happening?
Oh shit!
The garbage
We're going to
field has been
garbage
disabled.
disposal.
I am
Ah,
detecting
shit.
a security breach.
Oh my god, mass security breach!
Foolish human. There is no escape from the real
Oh shit!
security robot.
Alright at the end!
But human.
Oh! Metropolis! Who the fuck are they? What is happening? Oh, I'm disguised as a clone, even though I'm the only clone with a sword.
To all of you still left in storage, I will make you a deal. Survive, and I will get you out of here. Together we can fight back. Together we can put an end to this madness. Let's do it.